Hey guys, this is Faiza and welcome back to my new video. And in this video I'm going to be doing a very simple easy crown tutorial. It's called a crown braid tutorial. It's easy because all you need to do is just braid your hair and you're just going to be tying it towards the end. So right now what I'm doing is I have parted my hair into two sections, and before I start doing the braid I'm going to be just taking some hair out because I want the crown to look, I guess, a little messy while I mean it has supposed to be a clean yet messy look. So I'm going to be just taking some sections of my hair out, which I'm just gonna, I guess, just curl them around just to make them stand out. So right now I'm already braiding my hair, so I'm just gonna keep doing that till I hit the end. Once I'm done with this, I'm going to be doing the same thing with the other side of my hair. I'm going to be braiding it all the way down, and I'm going to be putting a hair batter on it so it doesn't open up. And now I'm going to go ahead and start making a crown out of it. With the crown, I just took the first part of my hair. I'm putting it towards the front of my hair, so the crown shows. Make sure it's towards the front of your, I guess, your forehead as possible. And I'm just taking the hairband off, and I'm going to be using bobby pins just to pin the whole thing. Again, use as many bobby pins as you would like. So make sure that the hair stays. I have thick hair, so for me I'm going to be using a lot of bobby pins for that. So this part is optional. You guys can leave this out if you guys want to. I'm just using a curling wand just to curl the sections of hair that I left out. I'm doing this because I want to make sure that this look is a little messy but nice. So I'm cutting the pieces of hair so just so when they're sticking out they just don't look straight, because that wouldn't look that nice. And so this is it, guys. This is my final look. This is called the crown braid tutorial. If you guys know how to do braids, you guys basically know how to do everything or every type of style with your hair. And thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you guys like the video, and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. And again, if you guys have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And thank you so much for watching. Take care and see you next week, guys.